Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing video here, obviously. I've actually done something that I really don't do that often. I rebought a watch that I sold. It's a little bit different than the one that I had because this has a adapter to put an actual, like a standard bracelet on it. This is the Citizen Ecozilla. Actually, I have a watch that I had unboxed a while ago that I want to compare this watch to anyway. So what the heck, might as well just rebuy it, I guess. So I bought this watch used, secondhand, whatever you want to call it. I can't remember. I think the last one had a different case than this, so maybe this one is newer. I don't know. And then also bought from the same guy a Casio calculator watch. Did I buy four? I don't know. Maybe I bought 4 watches from him. Oh yeah, I did. I did buy 4 watches. Jeez. This is the Skyhawk. This one's probably the Ecozilla then. This one, I don't know why I bought it. I actually have this watch already, so I might give this to one of my kids. We'll see. But this is the Casio Royale. Military time, makes sense. He's a military guy, so keeps his watch in military time. Let's just throw this to the side. I'll box it up later. And yeah, vintage. I think these were around when I was a kid, so that kind of makes me feel a little old, but facts of life. Oh yeah, very interesting looking. I never actually had one of these before. Does the calculator actually do anything? I don't know. Oh, look at that. It's tiny little buttons. I must have to use like a toothpick or something to use it. Interesting. All right, let's set this off to the side. Kind of a weird looking watch. It's cool how they're bringing these watches back, though. I guess I kind of technically rebought 2 watches then, because I already have this one. So I don't know. Who knows what I'm doing? All right, so this should be. Pretty sure this is the Skyhawk then. Nope. This is the Ecozilla. Okay, interesting. They must have changed these cases over time. Yeah, so this has the strap adapters on it. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. It was heavy enough with just the watch head on the silicone strap, but then these aftermarket strap adapters with this engineer bracelet. This thing is heavy. It's probably, I would have to guess, 300 grams. Yeah, 250 at least. So, wow. All right. Yeah, I keep doing that. It's a left side crown, not a right side crown. So, then this thing is supposed to unscrew too, I think, this ring here. I don't know. Mess with that later. A few extra links here, I guess. Throw all that stuff back in there. All right, Skyhawk. I have a Nighthawk. It's probably one of my. I've had that Nighthawk for at least 15 years. Probably one of my first higher end watches, or one of my more expensive watches, I guess. It has the same kind of case to it. Interesting. So I might compare this to my old Citizen Nighthawk. Yeah, this thing is cool. A lot of different functions on here. So I'll take some time to learn what everything does on here. This must be titanium. I didn't even know that. Night and day difference weight-wise compared to the last watch. Do not open. Yep, right there. Base titanium. So I'm assuming that's a grade 2 titanium. Yes, that's just pure titanium. It's not an alloy like grade 5 titanium. I don't know if this has sapphire or not. Blue Angels. I think I've seen the Blue Angels once before, a long time ago at a air show. Yep, sapphire. So very nice. Yeah, this is a lot lighter than it appears to be. Okay, I guess that's the light. Would have thought that'd be chronograph. No, it's not a chronograph. So it has a chronograph style buttons, but it's not a chronograph. At least I don't think it is. I don't know. Well, I'll have to spend some time with this to figure everything out that's going on here. So yeah, very cool. So quick little unboxing here. Yeah, it's a neat watch. Let's see. Must just have split pins. It could be pin and collar. I really don't know. It has a little arrow on there, so it's not screw pins. Actually, you know what? I didn't put any of these on wrist. Oh, what kind of unboxing am I doing here? We'll throw this one on wrist. Thinking his wrist is a lot bigger than mine. Or maybe put the links back in. I don't know. So there we go. Yeah, cool watch. Let me grab this Ecozilla again. It's a crazy difference in weight between this watch and the other one there. Geez, solid bracelet here, solid end links. They don't fill the case there, but that's fine. And this has got to be like a 24. What did I do with my tape measure scale thingy? It's got to be like a 24 millimeter wide bracelet. It's huge. You're gonna laugh when you see it on my wrist. Inches. What am I doing here? There we go. Centimeter. Yeah, that's 24. Yep, 24 with no taper. Alrighty. I feel like I'm wearing Hulk, the Hulk watch. with my, I don't know, who's a skinny Avenger? Anyway, on my skinny wrist, I'm wearing Hulk's watch. Alrighty, that will conclude this video. Hopefully you're subscribed. If not, please hit that subscribe button. And like the video if you liked it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this 4-watch unboxing here. And I hope to get these full videos out sometime soon here. Alright, catch you on the next one.